Okay, I seem to have made more mess than progress. But, well, yeah, it is getting there. That's how it's sitting at the minute. That's where I've cut out the edge over there. Needs to move up a little bit, but this has all been filled, all the little holes and stuff, screw holes, etc. That's where I made a dodgy cut. I don't know if you noticed in the last video, it was sort of went like round a little bit. Well, more like that. So let me get a pointer. There you go. Yeah, so little imperfections like that where I've mucked up the sawing. That's a word. Cutting, whatever. So I've just used some filler, sanded it all back. It's all nice and smooth. The doors, obviously the carpet's in the way now. Hang on. There you go. That's one. And then that's the other door. I still need to get this rail thing out of the way. That's got to go. Yeah, it's not looking too bad, I don't think. I can't open it at the minute. But obviously once that's sat right in, that's the cutout that I've made. So it sits up against there. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that so far, considering my technical wooding skills are awful. That's going to be, well, obviously that's not going to be the worktop, that would be a bit silly, but that gives you an idea of what's going to be happening. It's going to sit like, if I cut the top, there you go. Yeah, and then what we're going to do is router this out and then sink some LED strip into it. Obviously this isn't the same, the worktop's out there somewhere around there, so a lot thicker, 15mm I think it is, or 12mm, something like that. This is 6mm, so it's going to be a bit thicker on the top. What else can I show you? Don't know, not a lot really. That's the inside. I haven't done anything with this. I might take that out and put a bit of a better shelf in there that actually goes to the edge. I don't know why I did that, so I might take that back out. I'm going to put a base in there, I think. Don't know, might leave it like that, not sure. Yeah, it's getting there. So the next job that I'm going to be doing is, what am I going to be doing? Let's get a bit of light in here. That's made no difference. Okay. Next job is probably going to be the wrapping, the vinyl wrap. So I've gone for like a, I don't know what you would call it. It probably says it on here somewhere. Concrete. There you go. I've gone for concrete apparently. Didn't even know that. I went for this one because it's like a greyish finish. A bit like all of that, so it sort of matches. Don't have to be perfect obviously. I was going to do it like a wood effect or an oak vinyl wrap, but then I thought it's just going to look a bit, I don't know, van lifey, you know, you see on Instagram and all that, they're all sort of putting wood everywhere. I don't think it's really going to suit the Bongo, so I've gone for grey. Nice, boring and bland, just like me. So anyway, right, I'm going to crack on. Okay, so that's before and that is after the first layer, well, only one layer of vinyl wrap. So it's concrete, like I just said. It's all sat on there nicely. What I've done is I've run a little bit of contact adhesive underneath this last edge, although it's already got glue on it, just so it's fully stuck. And then I've run a Stanley blade along that edge, just to give it a nice little finish. Not that you're going to see it because there's going to be a trim that sits over that, like a right angle thing. That plastic stuff there. But yeah, get the idea. So now I'm going to crack on and do the rest of it. Right, it's not even funny how hot it is now. I'm literally dying from that big yellow fella. I'm having to like keep seeking refuge in the Bongo just to get out of the sun for a bit, but I want to get on and get it done because obviously I want to use it. But anyway, we're getting somewhere. So worktop's cut. I just measured it, used the old circular saw, trimmed it, made it square, all that sort of jazz. I've then used a router. First time I've ever used one of them. That was fun. Spent probably longer than I should have done setting it up, but I wanted to make sure it was the right settings so that it's not too deep. And then I've routed all of this out. 12 mil, not 12 mil. Oh, I don't even know, no idea. Some mils. And I've basically just done enough to recess the. Let me get back in the van. Oh, it's hot. Enough to recess the LEDs. Them. Now that corner was a nightmare because it doesn't like to turn around corners, that strip. So what I had to do was go a bit deeper with the router and then to allow it to sort of kink its way around. But it is flush now, which is cool. So yeah, it's getting there. Obviously this is the underside and that's going to overhang the worktop basically. The overhang the unit. So yeah, we're getting there, but just so hot, I'm dying. Right, another update. Worktop is on. Elephant in the room is this lovely glow. Look at that. Chuffed with that, and you can't really see it from below because I've recessed them into the wood, into the worktop with the router, whatever it is. So yeah, I'm well happy with that. I've only sort of obviously haven't got any handles on it yet. Yeah, there's no, it's all clearing nicely there because we routed it in. Temporary cable going in at the minute, temporary bodge job there, just joining them up. Just wanted to see what they look like, to be honest. So I need to route that properly. That's going sort of through that little carpet thing. You can't even see it. It's under that carpet there. Runs along, drops down the back, and then goes into that little fuse board. Oh there you go. See that? Again, very temporary. Just wanted to see if it works, which it does. So chuffed with that. Let's. Oh, I need to get some handles. There we go. It's getting there. Definitely getting there. What I might actually do as well is get some more LEDs to put inside the actual. Or do I need them? I probably don't even need them. It's pretty bright in there actually. Yeah, I don't know. I was thinking about putting some on the top of the underneath the worktop, but I don't know if I'll even need them, to be honest. I can see pretty well in there. Got obviously that little shadow line there. Still need to do something about this, the back bit, and here. I'll maybe put some sort of thing on there and make a bracket to fix to these. Still got to do all that yet, but I just got excited and wanted to put the lights on, just see what they look like. So yeah, let me know, leave a comment below what you reckon. Too sassy or just right? I think they look wicked. I'm pretty pleased with them. Anyway, right, what am I doing next? I need to do the worktop next, but I haven't got any vinyl, so I'm gonna have to run to B&Q and go and get some vinyl. I'm thinking, what am I thinking? Don't know, maybe a wood effect. In fact, let's leave the video here and you can tell me, as I wipe the screen, what you think would be a good worktop colour or whatever wooden effect. I'm thinking we'll contrast that quite nicely with the grey. Turn around so you can see a bit better. Yeah, what do you reckon? Where that's sort of light at the minute, obviously it's MDF, just bare. That's why I'm thinking we go for some sort of like wood, contrast wood effect. I don't know. Leave a comment below. What do you reckon? I'll have a little read before I go and buy some. And if no one comments, then I'll just pick whatever. Bright pink. Anyway, right. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.